What's up and welcome back. Behind me I have a brand new Ford Transit 148-inch wheelbase, high roof, all-wheel drive with an epic conversion in the back. I can't wait to show you guys this van. It is currently for sale, so if you're interested, email me at ankenyvanbuilds@gmail.com. And let's not waste any more time and let's start this video. So right here in the entranceway, first thing you'll see, we have this awesome bench seat that's kind of like a chase lounge. It's got this Lagoon table mount to where you can be sitting on it in the lounge seat, working on your computer. It can also swivel around to the front so that when you're sitting in the passenger seat, it also doubles as a table up there. It's totally adjustable, totally removable. It's got these awesome leather cushions, which are super easy to clean, very comfortable, and I think just look amazing compared to the rest of the van. Underneath this front storage compartment, we have a Dometic cassette toilet. It's portable. You can take it out, use it whenever you need to, put it back in. It has a place to go. Or if you don't want a toilet in there, you can take it out and it's just added storage. Right behind it, we have another storage compartment. It's huge. You can put whatever you want in there. And then we have this awesome backrest with a vinyl cushion, which is extremely comfortable. Also right up here in the front, we have this open space here, commonly used for flip-flops or shoes, just extra use of space for more storage inside the van. So moving on to the front part of this van, we have two swivel seats and a Webasto heater under the passenger seat. It's a staple of every van I've ever done. I've always put those three things in every single van. Right here behind the passenger seat, I have this flip-up hinge table, so it's a perfect spot to eat some food, work on a laptop, and it just gives you another seating area in this van. Directly above this flip-up hinge, we have our switch, which powers our 12-volt water pump, which pressurizes our sink, which goes into our black 15-inch bar sink. As you can tell throughout this van, all the amenities and accessories are all in black. This sink, I think, is beautiful. It has a 7-gallon water jug, fresh water tank, and a 7-gallon gray water tank. These 7-gallon water jugs are connected using these SharkBite connectors, so you can pop it out, it seals it for you. You can pull this water jug out, refill it with water, and when you're done, just clip it right back into place and you're ready to go. Over here on top of this cabinet, you see we have this beautiful live edge acacia. I used it for the backsplash, the flip-up counter, the Lagoon table, and this overhead shelf. On top of here, we have our single burner induction 1800 watt cooktop. Up on this wall, you see we have our control head for our heater, a dimmer switch for the under cabinet lighting for this shelf, and our remote for our MaxxAir fan, which is located above the bed. So up above this cabinet, we have this acacia open shelf. It actually has a live edge lip on it, so you can put baskets up above the kitchen area. I actually prefer this open shelf concept because you can see what you're grabbing and you don't have these cabinets that are opening up into your face. Holding up this shelf are these L brackets that have these cool leather straps holding it up, which ties in perfectly with the rest of the aesthetic of this van. So if you look straight up in this van at the ceiling, you'll see it's probably one of the coolest parts about this van, and it is this slatted cherry wood ceiling with a 1/4-inch birch painted black underneath it. It looks so seamless, fits the whole aesthetic of the van so well. Also, you can see in between these two slats is these LED light strips, which go down the entire length of the ceiling. It's also connected to this dimmer, so you can adjust whatever brightness you would like. Up above the bed here, we have two LED gooseneck reading lamps. Underneath each reading lamp is a USB plug for your phone, so you can be charging your phones at night, reading a book, and enjoying the awesome view. At the foot end of the bed, we have these Adventure Wagon upper cabinets. They give tons of storage. There's web nettings on the sides and on the bottom. You can stuff as much stuff as you'd like in here, and they're about 12 inches deep with plenty of room on the inside for clothes or whatever you would like to put up there. So you can see here with the bed, we have these flare space bump outs, which give you about 80 inches side to side. So if you notice, this mattress is actually a full-sized queen mattress. It's not an RV queen, so you have your full 80-inch by 60-inch mattress. It is a 6-inch gel foam, and it is extremely comfortable. Over here at the head of the bed, we have the C.R. Lawrence window attached to this flare space. It's got a bug net and a slider so you can open it up. That way you can run your max air fan and it will vent air over you while you're sleeping, keeping you nice and cold if it's a hot day outside. All right, behind this backrest, it's actually removable. It's held on by Velcro tabs. This gives you more access to your electrical system. So down here you have your fuse block, and it's powered by a Goal Zero 1500X Yeti, charged with 400 watts of solar on the roof. I have one 400 watt Renogy solar panel. Just a side note, I am an affiliate with Renogy Solar, so if you use my code, I'll put the link in the description, you'll get 10% off any product from Renogy, so go ahead and check that out. But continuing on, over here we have our fuse block, which powers all of our 12 volt appliances. On the other side we have our inverter, one for the induction stove and the other for the 110 outlet. It also has an additional spot in the middle to plug in any other USB device. Now moving on to the garage section, underneath the bed, you can see with a bed this high, you have ample storage underneath. We have this awesome shelf which is measured to fit these storage totes. So I built them to that width so you can store as many as you can fit on this shelf. Underneath we have a portable water system called WaterPort. It's self-pressurizing and it's used for outdoor showers if you need one. Right here we have this fork bike mount which can hold your mountain bike, and this bed is plenty high enough for a mountain bike to fit underneath. And then over on this side we have another shelf which also holds our battery system, but it can also be used for additional storage. Also throughout this entire van is this RV nickel flooring. It's waterproof, scratch proof, the exact type of floor that you would want inside of a van, and it's super easy to clean. Also, it's hard to tell because it's so daylight out, but we have a light switch on this side of the van which powers LED light strip underneath the bed, so at night it lights this whole area up and you can see what you're storing underneath. And on the exterior of the van we have a roof rack and a ladder from Flatline Vanco, and you can see the flare spaces are painted black to match the black accessories and black rims on the exterior of the van. So up front here in the cab of the van, there's plenty of cup holders all spread out throughout the front. We got a 12 volt plug and a USB charger up here for your phones. Another two down here by the cup holders for the passenger seat. Plenty of storage up on the dash itself. We also have a 12-inch touchscreen which has navigation, music, Apple CarPlay, all sorts of things. It also has probably the best backup camera that I've ever seen. It's got the satellite view to make sure you don't run into anything, and then a massive backup camera. So again, this van is for sale. If you're interested in it, please let me know at ankenyvanbuilds@gmail.com. Vans these days are going really quick, so if you are interested in it, I wouldn't waste any time. But this is where I'm going to close this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the van tour. Help me to get this video out to more people by liking the video and leaving a comment down below and watching it from start to finish. That helps get the video out to more people. But other than that, please consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next van build. Peace.